Okay, welcome back. Brand new video for you guys. Today we're going to be covering the Riccar Canister vacuum. So just imagine that you have a Riccar and it's a canister. You spend some money on it because it's not the it's not the $59 special, right? So you're going to spend close to $1,000 or even over for a Riccar vacuum. So what you don't want is you have a problem with your nozzle, for instance, this particular video, and you don't want to just chuck it. You don't want to just put it to the side. You can take it to a shop. Okay, but if you have the courage to, and you're willing to take the time to figure out how to fix this thing, I'm going to show you one of the ways that we use to diagnose the problem with the power. This is the example. You vacuum in, when you push it forward, you have power, but when you're pulling it back, you notice that you're losing the power. The head stops. Okay, look at this video, and I'll be able to show you one of the ways we diagnose this problem. Okay, so if you're having this issue, stay tuned. Okay, you're going to learn something from this one. Okay, so let's say you're vacuuming and you have kind of an intermittent off and on deal. Everything you push forward, it seems to be on, you pull back, it turns off, right? So what you can do, just kind of work your way down, all right? If your unit, some units are set up in a way where this head can fit right into the head. This pistol grip can fit right into this part here, okay? And so, or you can start here. Let's start here. So you turn your unit on and you just kind of rock right here. In and out, and see if this is causing that intermittent. Then you hold here steady and you go and you do the same thing and see if it happens here, okay? Now, in this particular case, this unit, let me get this off. This unit, the prongs were messed up. See that? So now we have to replace this, okay? All right? But that's one way you can tell. You can start testing, all right? Anyway, so let me start taking this apart and we'll see where we can go from here. It's charging. Okay. Now, there's a screw right underneath here. Okay, and there's one on this side, so we're going to have to tackle these two. Okay, all right. I might. Okay, let's see. Just let me know. Come on. Okay. Let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. right, so now all we have to do is just remove this old cord from here. It's already nestled nice and snug here, if you notice, and the replacement is the same way. So that's why we couldn't just grab any cord that has two prongs on it. It had to have the exact design here, exact setup, and also this kind of setup right here. So let's pull this out. This is gone. All right, and now we're going to put this in. Okay, come on, buddy. Looked a lot simpler when you just look at it, but now it's like, gosh, she's fighting me. Come on, let's go. Down, yes, and let's get this one in here. Down. Now it's snug, like a bug in a rug. All right, so we're going to go under here. Let's make sure we're over here. Here we go. All right. This guy's going to sit over here, and we're going to reconnect these wires. All right. So I want to use something different to reconnect the wires. But let me secure this guy first before I do anything else. Hold on. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn this around so you can see what I'm working with. I gotta just make sure this here slides down into this nook and cranny right there too. So that's a part of it. Whoa. Looks better? Yeah. Slide in and out, right?
This beat is groovy. I played Just Dance in my theater class today. It's pretty fun. Hey.
Hey. Make sure it's going the right way. Nope. Snug. Yep.
Very important.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get it.
Right now it's okay. Just give me a second.
Let's test it. No, it's backwards. It's backwards. I don't know why I didn't notice it before. I may end up having to cut it.
Pause.
Okay. We're gonna test it. Oh, can't test the can't test it, but we can at least test that it sits in there properly. Got it. Okay. All right. Now we can start putting everything back.
All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you come back for more. Okay, if you like this video, please feel free to share, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit a like. It does go a long way. Thanks for helping us grow this channel. We're growing little by little, but we're gonna get there. Okay, we're positive. All right. See you later.